Hi, hello, good afternoon to you. It's me again, Spiller, the IT headhunter. At the moment, I'm looking for Windows system engineers who are specialized in server-side technologies. As for the team, what they do is creating and building different blocks for the installation of Windows machines, and their primary focus is the maintenance, management, expansion, and onboarding of the Windows framework built by the KBC group. They also have to design, build, and promote the Windows framework in the organization, and they watch the market for different security tools and follow the security recommendations and minimize the operational risks. Problem solving is also part of the job. Capturing the needs of the internal customers and reacting to the findings is also what they do. Implementing and maintaining the Windows environment is also their job. And as for your job, it is about maintenance and more. To be more specific, it is system upgrades including service packs, patches, hotfixes and security configurations, monitoring performance and ensuring system availability and reliability, monitoring system resource utilization, trending and capacity planning, working with configuration and change management policies to ensure the awareness, approval and success of changes. You will have to select and implement management tools, policies and procedures, interacting with different vendors and other IT personnel to solve problems, configuring and installing devices and services, preparation, designing, building, testing, installation, running, incident and problem handling, changes on systems, products and services, and system-related infrastructure services. We are looking for an ideal candidate who is a Windows system engineer, who has strong problem-solving skills in a Windows environment. Good knowledge of device management technologies is also required. Integration, configuration and maintenance experience is also required for this job. Endpoint platforms knowledge is a benefit, including Azure, Intune, SCCM, GPO management and virtualization technologies. Security and networking implementation is also part of the job. Scripting and automation in PowerShell, Python and Ansible. Excellent analytical and troubleshooting skills, assertive, convincing and diplomatic style, strong organizational and self-management skills, ownership and independent way of working, fluent English, experience in projects in a hybrid team and in time-critical environment, attention to detail, quality, security and deadlines, eager to learn attitude, and be ready to take on-call duties in 24/7.